Hi, looking for a small town charm just 12 minutes from Red Deer? Welcome to Springbrook, where quiet streets, friendly neighbors, and low-maintenance living come together. 42 Poplar Crescent is a beautifully cared-for townhome featuring 3 bedrooms upstairs, a finished basement with a bonus room, and a garden full of perennials that bloom year after year. Every corner shows pride of ownership and love for the space. This one is sure to please. Let's take a tour.